We've got 40 Carnival Valor freebies for you today, starting with enjoy the best burgers at sea at Guy's Burger Joint. Delicious burgers like the ringer or the pig patty, or you can head over to the toppings bar and customize a burger just the way you want.
That's what I like to do. You can also play a round of mini golf. So if you are competitive or just like to play golf, you can practice your swing and play miniature golf.
That's right. You can also laugh the night away at the Punchliner Comedy Club. No charge.
Nice. And you can also catch a live music performance. They have performances all around the ship, performing a variety of different music.
Yeah. You can also enjoy a full service dinner at the Washington or Lincoln dining rooms. The main dining rooms, I've got a sample menu here for you so you can see what you might see on any given night, but it does vary from night to night and over time. But this gives you an idea of what's included. Almost all of it is included absolutely free of charge.
And you can always take a swim in any of the pools they have. They have pools for kids, adults, for everyone.
That's right. You can also do what we like to do on Carnival Cruises, and that's catch a flick at the dive-in movies. Movies under the stars, out by the pool. Watch a movie in the fresh evening air.
Yeah, that's so nice. And the other thing you can do is have a full service breakfast in the main dining room. Be served your breakfast instead of having to go to the buffet and trying to get your food.
Yep. You can also take a plunge on the water slide. Bring out the inner kid and fly it on the water slide. Hey, on a cruise ship, on a water slide, what could be better?
You can always celebrate Cruise Day at a mega deck party. So much fun, dancing.
Yeah. You can also design your own stir-fry lunch at the Mongolian Wok. Pick out the ingredients you want, hand them over, they'll fry them up and hand them back to you. A delicious lunch, customized just to your taste.
That just makes me hungry. And you can also enjoy a quick lunch at the Lido Marketplace buffet. You can choose whatever you want and have it for lunch.
Nice. And you can also enjoy a free show from Playlist Productions, a stage show, music, dancing, very exciting, a great way to end the evening, or maybe before you do your next activity in the evening, Playlist Productions on the main stage.
You can also enjoy the music in the atrium. Just sit back and relax and listen to the music. It's so nice.
Yes. Also, just for the adults, you can relax in the Serenity adult-only area. The Serenity adults-only retreat is just for those 21 or older. It's a very relaxing way to spend the day on Carnival Valor.
Speaking of adults, you can also enjoy a quieter experience at the adults-only aft pool.
Very nice. I detect a theme here. You can also enjoy a relaxing stroll along the outside of Deck 3. It's got an outer deck. You can enjoy the view and the fresh sea air. Great during the day and even more relaxing in the evening.
And if you get a little bit hungry after all that walking, you can satisfy your craving at Pizza Pirate. They make fresh pizza every day.
Nice. And the kids and teens can have fun at the Kids and Teens Clubs, hanging out and partying, having a great time with others their age at the different kids clubs and teens clubs on Carnival Valor.
Kids and adults, you can enjoy unlimited ice cream and frozen yogurt.
Soft serve and frozen yogurt sounds good. You can also enjoy stunning views with an open air run on the jogging track. Jogging, hey, it may not be my thing, but if you're into jogging, what better place to do it than on a cruise ship? Fresh air and amazing views.
And if you're not into elegant night or just dressing up, you can have a casual dinner at the Lido Marketplace buffet. And choose whatever you like for dinner.
Sounds good. You can also partake in the finer things by enjoying an art exhibition. A beautiful, broad selection of artworks are displayed on the Carnival Valor, there for you to enjoy viewing. You don't have to buy them, but it's free to look.
Right. And you can also sing along at the piano bar. So you can belt out the songs with the piano.
Nice. And For something a little different, you can grab breakfast at the Blue Iguana Cantina. They've got delicious breakfast burritos custom designed however you want with whatever ingredients you want. Huevos rancheros, and my favorite, the little cornbread arepas.
And you can be a star by displaying your talent at karaoke night.
Wow.
What is your go-to karaoke song?
I don't have one. That's more your thing. You can also enjoy some downtime at the Iliad Library. Very relaxing spot, whether you want to read, play a game, or just have a quiet spot and escape the excitement of the last activity before you go to the next.
You can groove on at the One Small Step Dance Club.
Nice. You can also enjoy a fresh made sandwich, hot or cold, at the Carnival Deli. I recommend the Reuben.
Oh yeah, very good. And you can start your cruise with a blast at the sail away party. So much fun. Wave goodbye to people.
That's right. You can also catch a game at the Skybox Sports Bar. Just because you're on a cruise ship doesn't mean you have to miss the big game.
That's
Head
right.
to the sports bar.
Or you can refine your art knowledge with an art seminar. I like that one.
Okay. You could also enjoy a workout at sea at the fitness center. No charge. Hey, you're paying for that fitness club membership back home, but when you're on Carnival Valor, no charge to use the fitness center.
That's right. Or if you like to learn something on your cruise, you can learn to cook at the cooking demonstrations they have.
If you want someone else to do the cooking for you, you can enjoy freshly made tacos at the Blue Iguana Cantina. They actually make the taco tortillas right there. You can watch them take the masa in, slide it out, and cook it up for you. Get whatever you want. Chicken, fish, all great options, and add a little extra heat.
So you can also honor military members and veterans at a military appreciation gathering.
You can play a game of hoops at the basketball court. They've actually got a basketball court on this cruise ship.
That's
Go
amazing.
and you can take on a game one-on-one, have some fun at sea playing basketball.
Make the day special with a sea day brunch.
Yeah.
Get some tea, get some brunch.
Yeah, that's always a special occasion. You can also treat yourself to continental breakfast. Continental breakfast room service is no charge during certain hours. Just call and let them know what you want, and they'll bring it to you. You can have breakfast in bed, no extra charge.
Right. Or if you want to make sure you get all your favorite breakfast items, go to the Lido Marketplace Buffet.
Yeah, that's been our 40 Carnival Valor freebies. Things that are included once you've booked a cruise on Carnival Valor. Don't miss out on those. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Doesn't cost anything. It's just a way to follow us. Click down below to subscribe. And like Joy's indicating, give us a thumbs up by liking the video with the thumbs up icon below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.